Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. July the 22nd, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. And in this additional, there is also, I think, extra Sudokus. Let me see. Extra Sudokus. 5 extra Sudokus. A 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary. 5 extra Sudokus. Total of 8 Sudokus. A lot of Sudokus to go. And please leave a comment if you like the extra Sudokus. The Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. Because it's taking a lot of time of doing it every day. So if you don't like it, leave a comment. If you like it, please leave a comment. I'm having thoughts to continue with the extra Sudokus because not a lot of views of the extra Sudokus, in additional. So if there are no need for those Sudokus, I will continue only with the regular Sudokus. But let me start with the regular Sudokus, the high priorities. Priority with the regular Sudokus. Alright, so this one, the binary Sudoku will be number 200. Yes, it's 200, I believe. Let me check this. Yeah, wow. It's getting fast with 1 to 1. So it's not 1, it's 200. This one is 200. Wow. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. There's a mistake here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not good. This one is not good. why have I placed an O here? Double O here and one there and one. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Yes, this is one mistake. Apologies. Between two O's comes in one. Double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. Double one here, double O here one, there one. Double one here no, there no. Double O here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. 4 ones. I need a 1 extra. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Let me see. Double O here one, then one. Double one here no, there no. I cannot. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an 1. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the fifth one here, then we have still 3 O's in a row in this column. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And now we have the fifth one. So this is an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. finish in 9 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. And in a minute I will continue with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku it will be. So see you later and bye bye for now.